Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Rite Aid and we are here to do some really good deals for the week. Now, I wasn't going to do any more videos this week. I was going to take a little break, but there's just some really great deals at Rite Aid and I definitely wanted to show you the deals that I got. I thought about not even filming and just going and couponing, which seems like such an odd concept to me now. But anyways, I just thought I would do just a small little video. And who knows how small it will be. But anyways, we've got some really great deals at Rite Aid. We have a booster this week where you spend $60, get back $15 in bonus cash. Now, next week, the ad is out for next week, and there is no booster in the ad. Now, if there is something else happening, I don't know. But as of right now, there's no booster next week, which is good and bad. Good because, you know, you could take a little break. Bad because it's been really nice having all of these boosters week after week after week. So hopefully they'll come back soon because they're nice. I really like them. Now, Rite Aid is one of my favorite places to coupon at. I really like CVS. There's a lot of work that goes into making CVS deals happen, but I really like Rite Aid too. Really like Rite Aid. I just love it. It's so super simple. And if you have a Rite Aid near you, you definitely need to check it out and give it a chance. Even if you don't really, haven't really couponed at a Rite Aid before, go in there this week and get the Vaseline. I'll show you that deal and I'll point it out that this would be an easy deal to start couponing at Rite Aid because you don't need any coupons. It's really cheap and it's a moneymaker, so it's perfect to start. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. All right, so I am excited for Rite Aid this week. We have got some really great deals, like I said, plus we've got new monthly deals, and those monthly deals are a limit of 4. So the first monthly deal that I want to look at is the Dollar Shave Club. The Dollar Shave Club is buy one, get back $3 in bonus cash, and it is a limit of 4. And as you can see right here that these wipes, which are a new product it looks like, are included, and my store has them priced at $4.29. We don't have any coupons for these, so we're going to pay $4.29, get back $3 in bonus cash, making these $1.29, and we can do this deal 3 more times. So next we're going to do a P&G promotion where you spend $30, get back $10 in bonus cash. And a lot of Tide is clearanced out for 50% off. So the Tide Pods that are 15 to 20 count are included in the promotion. So I'm going to grab 2 of these. They're the 20 count and they will ring up $4.04. And with the liquid Tide that is included, it is only the 46 ounce bottles. There's a bunch of different sizes, so just make sure that you get the 46 ounce. And as you can see, most of them are clearanced out. I do know that this one here with the purple is tracking for the P&G promotion, so we're going to grab 3 of these, and they will ring up $5.15 a piece, which isn't a huge discount, but it's a discount. And then I'm going to grab another Tide Pod here, and that will also be another $4.04. So these 6 items will equal out to $27.54. So I'm going to grab some of that Bounce right there. The Bounce dryer sheets, most of them are also clearance at 50% off. So the Bounce Wrinkle Guard is marked at $3.99. And I'm going to grab this because I also have a bonus cash challenge that when I spend a certain amount, I will get a bonus cash on top of that, what I would normally get in the store at the end of the month. So here is everything that I'm grabbing. It equals out to $31.53. I'm going to use 3 $1 paper coupons for the Tide Liquid. I also am going to use a $1 paper coupon for the Tide Pods. I'm going to use 3 of those, and then $1 coupon for the Bounce dryer sheets. That's going to bring my total down to $24.53, but we'll get back $10 in bonus cash, making it $14.53 for all 7 items. But then, of course, we're getting extra bonus cash as well because we're going to spend $60 worth. So I think this is an incredible deal, but there was a slight issue and I had to reconfigure the deal a little bit, and I will talk about that in the car at the end of the video. So next I'm going to check out the clearance section. I always check out the clearance section at Rite Aid. So I found a bunch of these powders marked at $2.87, and then I seen a Dollar Shave Club item marked at $1.92, and I was hoping that this would track for the Dollar Shave Club because that would just be an automatic little money maker. So we'll see on that. But next we're going to grab some of the Vaseline lip products. These are buy two get one free, and they're $1.99 a piece. And when you buy two, you get back $4 in bonus cash. And this is a monthly deal. So I am only going to do this twice. I'm going to grab 4, and it's going to equal out to $5.97. One of them will ring up for free, so it won't count towards the $60. So only $5.97 will count towards the $60, but you'll get back $8 in bonus cash, making it a $2.02 moneymaker. So I chose to go that route. You can get 6 of them, and it'll cost you $7.97, and you'll get back $8 in bonus cash, making 6 of them free, but I chose to go with the moneymaker route. So next, the CoverGirl is on a really good promotion where you buy 2, you get 5, or you buy 3 and you get back $10 in bonus cash. So we're going to grab 2 of the eye pencils, and we're hoping that that face powder will also count as well. So the 3 of these will equal out to $12.05. We're going to use a $4 load to card coupon for the face powder, and then we're going to use 4 printable coupons for the eye pencils. Those are $4 coupons. And so then that will bring our total down to just 5 cents after the coupons, if that one works. If it works, then we'll get back $10 in bonus cash, making it a $9.95 moneymaker. If it doesn't work, then the 2 pencils will equal out to $9.38. We'll use $8 in coupons, pay $1.38, get back $5 in bonus cash, making it a $3.62 moneymaker. But we'll see what happens in the vehicle. I'll let you guys know with that clearance powder. Next, we're going to do another monthly deal for this Dr. Scholl's Freeze Away. It is 25% off of $8.99, so it's going to ring up at $14.24. You're going to pay that. You'll get back $10 in bonus cash, but there is a $5 Ibotta rebate, making this a 76-cent moneymaker. And I will definitely take that. So this is everything that we have in our cart for our transaction. I will let you know how everything goes out in the vehicle. Because we do have clearance items, sometimes they track, sometimes they do not. And I'm back in the store because my bounce didn't track. So I'm going to grab another Tide liquid here. I'm going to grab this 50% off one. I'm going to use this dollar coupon. So now the math for 4 bottles of Tide and 3 bags of Tide Pods would equal out to $32.69. We're going to be using all of those coupons, and that's going to bring our total down to $25.69. But we'll get back $10 in bonus cash, making it $15.69 for all 7 bottles and bags of Tide Pods. And since I'm in here, I wanted to see if that $6.99 off 2 coupon would work on shave products. So I'm going to grab a shave cream and a shave gel. Those will equal out to $13.98. That's $6.99 off 2 digital coupon. That will bring our total down to $6.99. But we'll get back $6 in bonus cash, $3 for each one, making them both 99 cents. Now we can go talk about everything in the car.
All right, guys, so we are back in from Rite Aid. So like I said, I didn't plan on filming, so I kind of just threw on a sweater and threw on some shoes, dropped the kid off at school, and yeah, I wasn't gonna, like I said, I wasn't gonna film, but it doesn't matter. Good deals waits for nothing. So first, let's talk about some of the things that happened, and then we'll get into the numbers. So I did the Procter & Gamble deal, and all the Tide that I got, which was all clearance, it did track. The one thing that didn't track for the deal, and I probably should have known that, was the bounce. So how I knew that was is at the bottom of my receipt, it says I was tracking for Procter & Gamble $27.54. So I added up all of my Tide, it equaled out to $27.54, and so I knew that the bounce didn't track, which is fine. The bounce is still a really good deal. And I also have that bonus cash challenge. So I think I only need like $15 and I'll get $5. So I'm just going to keep it. So then I was looking at my receipt to see if the coupon, the load to card coupon for the CoverGirl come off for that face powder, because it was on clearance. So of course I'm curious to see if it come off, and it did. So that means it was a moneymaker. So what happened though is when it rang up, even though it was in the clearance section, it didn't ring up for the clearance price. So it also didn't track for the bonus cash deal. So I thought, you know what, it's totally fine either way, because it's still a moneymaker, because that overage is still applied to my cart. So then I'm still looking at my receipt, just checking everything out, and I noticed that the Dollar Shave Club item that I picked up in the clearance section, it rang up at full price. So then looking at the bottom of my receipt, it says I got some bonus cash for the CoverGirl. I got back $3 in bonus cash for the Dollar Shave Club wipes. I got back bonus cash twice for the Vaseline. I got back bonus cash for the Dr. Scholl's. And I got back bonus cash for the barcode, which is the booster. So it shows here that I didn't get bonus cash back for the Procter & Gamble. So then I went back into the store, and I'll talk about that in just a second. And then it shows here at the bottom, it just says beauty event, earn up to $10 in bonus cash, buy 2 items, get $5, buy 1 item, get an additional $5. And I thought, does that mean I could grab another CoverGirl? I don't know. So since I was going to go back into the store anyways, I thought I would try something out. So I did go back into the store and I did get a refund, and I'll show you right here. I did get a refund for that Dollar Shave Club item because it was for face wash. I didn't get the bonus cash for it, number one, and it didn't ring up clearance, so I was not going to keep it. So that was refunded back to me, but I only got back bonus cash for that, and that's something that the system did automatically. She thought it was going to give me cash back, which would have been nice, but I guess I'll take the bonus cash. So then I grabbed a few more things. So I was going to grab another Tide liquid, which I did. This time I grabbed the Oxy. I showed you in store, but it was a little funky in store because I didn't have a cart. I was just going to grab this and something else. So I grabbed that, and that one tracked. And then I grabbed a CoverGirl eye pencil for that just experimenting, just to see if I would get the other $5. So I grabbed the CoverGirl eye pencil, and then I grabbed 2 Dollar Shave Club shave needs. I grabbed a shave gel and a shave cream. Hopefully and hoping that $6.99 off 2 digital coupon would come off, and it did not. So I spoke with customer service, and they did credit me $6.99 in bonus cash. Looking at the bottom of my receipt for this receipt, I did get back $3 in bonus cash twice for the Dollar Shave Club. It says I got back bonus cash for the CoverGirl, and then I got back the $10 in bonus cash for the P&G promotion. So I'll show you right here what it shows on my app. I did get an additional $5 in bonus cash for the CoverGirl. I thought it was going to be an either or thing. Either you buy 2 or you buy 3, but you can't buy 2 and then a third. You know what I mean? So that wasn't the case. So when I went in there and I grabbed a brow pencil for $4.69, I used a $4 digital coupon, and so it was 69 cents, and then I got back $5 in bonus cash for that. So that was insane, I thought. Absolutely insane. But the Dollar Shave Club, I would just stick to either getting the wipes, or you know what I mean, or maybe just razors. I don't know why that coupon isn't working, but I scanned a bunch of different items and it wasn't showing that it was attaching to anything. So I don't know, maybe it's just a bum coupon, you know what I mean? By me going back into the store, I was able to rectify everything that happened, and it's really not that big a deal, you know what I mean? So let's talk about some numbers. With my first transaction, my total, and I'm taking my original total, and I'm taking the amount of that Dollar Shave Club item off of there. So my total, my first transaction was $49.28, and I got back $41 in bonus cash and $5 on Ibotta for the Dr. Scholl's item. So that made my total for that transaction just $3.28. Then my total for my next transaction, my total was $18.81 minus the $6.99 for the coupon that wasn't working on anything. So that made my total $11.82. I got back $21 in bonus cash. And in that second transaction, I did not pay with bonus cash. I just paid the money out of pocket. So my total was $11.82. I got back $21 in bonus cash, making that transaction a $9.18 money maker. So my total for everything that I got today was free and the $5.90 money maker. And I think that is incredible. Incredible. And I got a bunch of Tide. Oh, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And it was just super easy, super quick. Sometimes, like, okay, now in the ad, it only shows what's included. It could mean that there's more included, but I went out on a whim with the bounce because the bounce was on clearance as well. And I think they're clearancing all that out, honestly, because they're changing the packaging. And that happens all the time. They clearance stuff out, we get a good deal, new stuff comes in, and it's got a different label on it. So I don't know. We'll just see. But anyways, guys, that's really all I have today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.